Hello guys, today I will make a video about canvas and how to draw the coordinate plane, and my name is Mavu and this is Maybe channel. So first you need to have these three main files here. First is the index.html, the second is style.cs, and the final is the draw.js. You can name it whatever you want, and it doesn't have much here because I don't add any function here, but now we will talk about it. So canvas is like a function in JavaScript that you can use it to draw on your website. So what do you need to make it appear on your website? First you need to add a tag name in the index.html file. So this is canvas, and I will give it the ID is my canvas, and the width and the height need to be big enough so we can see it clearly. So the width of it is 1000 pixels, I think, and the height is 600 pixels, and I think it's fine to see, and we're done here. And if you add this and see it on your browser, you cannot see anything because you need to add the border of it so it can be seen. Because if you don't add the border, you will see a white rectangle, so it cannot see it, right? So we need to add it in the style.cs file. So we will use my canvas, and border is 20 pixel, solid black. Yeah. So, and we will add a margin left to be like 50 pixel, because it will be like the center of the screen, and it is will be look nicer. So let's see a little bit here. Oh, sorry. It should be two pixels. 20 pixel is too thick. 2 pixels. And now we will see it again, and voila, this is the canvas, like rectangle. So how can you draw on this rectangle? First, you need to go to the draw.js file or something that you call, and then you will add these two command lines. First is here. It is it is something that I want to add. First is via canvas is equal to document dot get element by ID my canvas, and then it's var c or var context or var context canvas or something. You can uh, call it whatever you want, and then you add it canvas dot get context 2D 2D, and yeah, you but now it is not finished yet because you didn't draw anything. So if you want to draw a line, uh, you need to know two command lines here. First is move to, and the second is line to. So let's say this picture. So you start at the point has x coordinate and y coordinate is 0 0, and then if you want to draw a straight line from xy to x1 y1, you need to use the command line move to x and y. So you move from the 0 0 to the x and y, and then you line it to the x1 and y1 point, and yeah, you've done. But before you use these command lines, you need to add c.begin path and cstroke before and after it respectively. So let's do a little bit. So if I want to draw a line from 50-50, for example, so the stroke style is the color of the line, and the width is the width of the line. So 5s, okay, now here. And if you want to move from 50-50 to 100 and 100, first you need to move to 50-50, 50-50, and then you line to 100 and 100. And after that, you need to add the c-stroke here, c-stroke, and let's see our website. Yeah, it's 50-50 here, and the 100 and 100 here. So it is the sample of 50-50 alive from 50-50 to 100 and 100. So yeah, we're done. And how can we draw the coordinate plane? So let's see this picture. So in Canvas, the coordinate plane will look like this. But in normal life, we use this coordinate plane. So I will show you guys how to draw the like a normal coordinate plane, so we can easily understand it. So first, let's look this picture here. This picture here. First, we will I don't want the coordinate plane too near to the border, so I will move it like 50 pixels down and 50 pixels left, right. I mean, and first we will move to this point, move to 50-50. Then we will draw the arrow here. So how can we draw the arrow? We need to draw this line, and this line. So we can move 50-50, move to 50-50, and then line to 40-60, and then move again to 50-50, and then line to 60. So it will be like symmetric. It looks great here. So let's draw a little bit. First we need to let's erase this, and let's move to 50-50, and then line to 40-60, and then move again to 50-50, and then line to 60-60, and move again to 50-50. So let's see it here. So you have this arrow here. So now let's draw the y-axis. So how can we draw the y-axis? You will move from 50-50 to the point 50 and 550. So you will make the y-axis here, this line here, and then you move from the 550 to the line to the point 950 and 550. So let's draw it. So you move to 50, 550, and then you line 2. No, we don't need that line. This line. Oh no, 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 no. Sorry. It's a little bit messy here. So you need line 250 and 550 first, and then you line to 950 and 50, 550 immediately. And so let's see a little bit. Yeah, and now we need to draw
the arrow here. So it should be C move to 950 and 50. No. It's 940 and 540. And then you, oh no, it's messier, Sorry. And then you move again to the 950 and 550. And then you line to 940 and 560. Yeah.
as you go. So let's see a little bit. Oh, we've done the coordinate plane, but we don't have the X and Y layer near the arrow here, so we need to add it. So in Canvas we have C font, so I will let it a little bit big here to see it clearly. So 20 pixels is okay, and I will choose a font for it. So I see on the internet, and I saw a really nice font here. It's named Comic Sans MS, and then you use this function fill text. And fill text is first you type in your text that you want to appear on the website. So here is the X letter, and then you type in its as X coordinate and Y coordinate. So it will be 950 and 570, I think. So it will be near to the arrow on the X coordinate. So let's see a little bit. And yeah, we have the X here. It looks really nice. And now we add the Y. So it should be Y 30, I mean, I think, and 50. So let's see a little bit. And yeah, we've done. We have drawn the coordinate plane here, and it looks really nice. It looks really nice here. And yeah, this video is end here.